Hello everyone on YouTube. Thank you so much for joining me on the Stock Martin channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. Also, please give me that thumbs up. It will share this with everybody in the community, and I really greatly appreciate that. Today I have a very good video for you, which is going to be talking about CCIV and Lucid Motors, as Peter Rawlinson, the CEO, has come out with some very important information, and I think you're really going to like this video. Before we start, I did want to read a little bit of Lucid's mission that just got released. And its mission is to adopt a sustainable energy vehicle by creating a vehicle that's centered around the human experience. Lucid will have the state-of-the-art luxury sedan, the Lucid Air model, which has been underpinned by its race-proven technology. It's going to feature a luxurious interior space. However, the exterior will be a mid-sized exterior footprint. They're allowed to do this by its new battery technology and its engine that is more compact and more energy efficient than the Tesla Model S. This is going to be featured in the models of the Air, which are going to be four. The highest and the best, most luxurious one will be the Lucid Air Dream Edition, which will have a EPA range of over 500 miles. A 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, a horsepower of 1,080. And these customer deliveries of this vehicle will be set in the next few weeks, which will be at the beginning of the second half of 2021. Another catalyst that will be coming up is that CCIV, Churchill Capital, will be merging with Lucid Motors and will have a new ticker of LCID by July 23rd. All these are big catalysts, and moving forward, I think this stock will do very, very well. Now let's get down to an article that I wanted to talk to you about that was printed by Newsweek. This article has just come out on Tuesday, June 22nd, 2021 at 7:33 a.m. And Lucid has just completed its pre-production builds and has started the production of its validation builds of the Lucid Air. And this week it will be opening up its flagship New York studio in the well-known meatpacking district. And just last week, Lucid has announced that it will have a major studio, Microsoft's old store in Seattle, Washington. Recent very big news is that Lucid has recently passed its 10,000 paid reservations for the groundbreaking Lucid Air. It has a full reservation of the Dream Edition, which will be delivered this year as of September 2021. Lucid does plan to make 577 of these vehicles that have already been fully reserved for. And the 10,000 paid reservations are for the Grand Touring Edition and both the Touring and the Pure versions that have been accounted for so far, which is very good for this company and shows that it has a high demand already. Looking at its capital and financial flexibility, the business combination with Churchill Capital CCIV will be merging with Lucid Motors, and it will have a plan of $350 million in investments from future periods that will have enough income to produce vehicles from the year 2021 all the way to 2023. It will enhance manufacturing capabilities by up to 6 to 7% during 2021 to 2026. Peter Rawlinson has just announced that this company is ready for an additional manufacture capacity of the Lucid Air and based on its expected demand, and will be creating the Lucid SUV, the Gravity, on the general assembly line, which is planned to come out in 2023. Lucid has received enough funds to combine the next two phases of its Arizona plant expansion into one big phase, which will provide 2.7 million square feet of additional manufacturing space by the year 2023 and will increase its Lucid Air capacity to 53,000 vehicles per year. The current factory that Lucid has built can produce up to 35,000 vehicles per year based on previous statements made by Peter Rawlinson, the CEO of Lucid. Knowing this information, that Lucid now will be able to produce 53 vehicles per year by the year 2023 is an incredible feat for the company, and I think it's going to be a great catalyst for the stock moving forward. Lucid Motors does plan on producing a big flexibility with Lucid Air and the Lucid Gravity, as they can have different variants, which is very important that the assembly line that's being made can accommodate either of these two vehicles depending on the demand that's out there for consumers. Lucid is working on enhancing its Lucid Gravity design and its performance, and the Lucid Gravity will be its premium SUV electric vehicle that will be in very high demand. Lucid is also working on integrating certain functions of stamping and battery enclosures, and it's also working on in-house investments to improve quality and lower the costs of its production vehicles. As I mentioned, the company expects to launch the Lucid Gravity at the end of the second half of 2023 and will increase the production of Lucid Air vehicles in the year 2023 and 2024. So Lucid has a lot of cash backing on it from Churchill Capital Invests, which is the SPAC that will be merging into Lucid. And also don't forget that this is a Saudi-backed project and company that has received a lot of funding from the Saudi investors and Saudi government that will help this company move forward and will allow it to grow in the future. Peter Rawlinson, the CEO of Lucid Motors, has stated, and I quote, "The updates of the Lucid motor today reinforce the strongest interest and demand for consumers for electric vehicles that will deliver new industrial standards for efficiency and range, which was actually allowed us to accelerate and enhance our plans for development and production." So Peter Rawlinson, in a nutshell, says that there is a big demand for their vehicles, and they have now the funds to increase their development and production to meet the demands of all these vehicles, which is great news for the company. He goes on to say that the company is choosing to accelerate the plant capacity expansions and to build their dedicated SUV, the Lucid Gravity, assembly line as quick as possible, and will expect to have a higher production of Lucid Air cells in the year 2023, while also introducing its new Lucid Gravity launch in the year 2023. Again, this is going to be huge for the company, and I think this company will do quite well. So all you CCIV Lucid investors out there, this is wonderful news from the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, and the company. You can see that we're starting to get the production moving. We're starting to get the demand there. And this incredible number of now over 10,000 reservations for the Lucid Air and its 4 trims is incredible because it's showing that there is a big demand for these vehicles. This company will do great in the future, I believe, and it has these great catalysts that will be coming. We are seeing that Lucid is focusing on its production factories, and it has a new source of income and a big projection to move these forward. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give me that thumbs up so this video can be shared with others around the YouTube community. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for your support. We just passed the 400 mark on the subscriber list. I am aiming to get 500 subscribers by the end of this month. So please, if you can, help out by sharing this video with your coworkers, with your friends, with your family, and that next door neighbor. I really greatly appreciate it. If you would like to help out the channel, I created 2 links down below. One is Webull. If you deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you use the Coinbase link, it will take you to their website. If you deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks in cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for all your support, and have a great day.